Welcome to my 1950 Willys Wagon restoration project. To begin with, we started off replacing the front suspension in its entirety with new leaf spring across the front because of damage due to the Chevy V8 conversion and just old age. We also replaced all of the bushings in the A-arms, the upper and lower control bushings, and the A-arm bushings to the frame, the new rubber bushings. We put in some new shocks as well and some new brake lines. Some of the other damage was that the upper shock bolt was snapped and we had to re-weld it back into the A-arm. So all of that was replaced. Tune in for much more.